Welcome to my channel.
But I love it.
The Mercedes-AMG GT C Roadster might just be the enterprise's tastiest alphabet soup. What letter is half of man or among R and S? Although reputedly a trick query, the perfect solution is C, as in the Mercedes-AMG GT C. Following the release of its AMG GTR and AMG GT S models, Mercedes' in-house hot rod division is rolling out a new trim degree to spherical out its AMG GT lineup. It's called the AMG GT C and, as alluded to above, splits the difference among the R and the S. So is Mercedes-AMG's new half-step worthy of consideration? Include us as we find out. A higher GT. Mercedes-AMG will offer the brand new C version in both coupe and roadster bureaucracy, however our evaluate focuses exclusively at the latter. The AMG GT C is based totally at the restyled 2018 AMG GT, but there are some key variations. The front give-up design incorporates over essentially unchanged, however the C's decreased bumper conceals energetic air louvers borrowed from the GTR. The one's louvers can near beneath positive circumstances, supplying better airflow for less resistance. While the engine desires a little greater sparkling air, they are able to open returned up and below a 2D. New facet sills provide the C a more planted appearance, however the automobile definitely appears hunkered down thanks to new rear fenders lifted instantly from the difficult Core R version. Made from aluminum, the C's rear fenders are 57mm wider than the units used on the base GT, taking into account wider wheels and tires, 305s versus the GT's 295s, that offer higher traction. Those haunches also house air vents that assist improve the auto's ordinary aero. The indoors of the C is more often than not made of GT bits, however there are some upgraded substances and a brand new race mode available through the automobile's control transfer, but extra on that later. Changes to the AMG GT C are extra than simply skin deep. At the same time as displacement of the automobile's 4.0 liters twin faster V8 hasn't changed, its output has. That 4-liter lump makes 550 horsepower and 502 pounds-feet of torque under the hood of the GT C, marking a major improvement over the base car's 469 horsepower and 465 pounds-to-foot of torque rankings. The GTR is rated at 577 horsepower and 500